Guys, we got one bad roll off for y'all today. Now this is from my man John. He also got this slick 330 back here, so check out the other video on that. But on his roll off here, he kind of went all out, guys. He's got on the off-road package. Of course, he got the bronze mod wheels to match his 330 back there in the background. Now the roll off is our medium-sized direct heat cooker. We do have some smaller. Of course, we can go bigger as well. But these things run great, all 1/4 inch plate. All right, on the top, you've got one big grate that is removable. I know y'all have seen we do these with a hog flipper as well. That's an option. Inside here, you got 2 lower grates that slide out. And then he has actually added in a rotisserie on this one. So we've got a motorized rotisserie. Insulated on the bottom. Here you can see that. Bottom is 1 inch insulated. So holds heat great, makes this pit very easy to run. So you got D-ring tie downs, one on each 4 corners, makes it easy to strap down on a trailer. So guys, that is John's roll-off off-road package. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.